couple tank CE105 couple tank.
My name is Muhammad Ismail bin Muhammad Awawi. My message number is BN3730192, and I will enroll with Usman. Of this experiment is first we need to use couple tank, the controller, and the connector wire connector.
Okay. Now I will explain how to conduct the experiment. For the first experiment, we need to connect the wire according to the orang ini. Wire connector tutup ah. For now, I will explain how to conduct the experiment. For the first procedure, we need to connect the wires and the connector to the controller using these wires, and according to the diagram in the lab sheet. So, next, after we connected the connection from the controller to couple tank, we then will adjust the value of flow rate using this button here, and then we rotate it until we reach 400 centimeter cube per minute. And then we continue recording and increasing the value of flow rate until we get the right value for the voltage. And then after we have done the first experiment, we continue to the next experiment, which is we need to reconnect the wires according to the diagram, and then we will change from this tank to this tank and record the value obtained. So the value obtained will be observed. We will observe the result obtained, and then we will do some discussion and conclusion.
Alright, for the observation part, from the result of part 1, pump calibration characteristic of the value of pump supply is increased when the flow rate increases. The value of the pump supply obtained when increasing the flow rate is almost the same as the value of the pump supply when decreasing the flow rate. For the result of part 2, flow meter calibration characteristic, the value of the pump supply is increased when the flow rate increases. The value of the pump supply flow meter obtained when increasing the flow rate is almost the same as the value of the pump supply flow meter output when decreasing the flow rates. And in part 3, level sensor calibration for tank 1, the manipulate variable is liquid level. The higher of the liquid level, the more value of the pump supply sensor output increase. The higher the liquid level, the more value of the pump supply sensor output increase. For the part discussion, in this lab, the component of experiment is to calibrate the circuit of the output actuator, the pump circuit, and also namely the input and sensor. The flow rate of liquid level sensor, it had apparatus such as connected by the examiner's comprise two flow channel. Vary it by knowing that this experiment separate vertical tank used, which a rotary valve may be of the channel and change the flow rate. There are new part need to first part named as pump part, named as flow meter, named as level sensor calibration characteristic discovered in this B at the table for the calibration characteristic, second calibration characteristic, and third that contain two table. For the part conclusion, couple of tank each have a unique features by an overflow tube at the top that two distinct vertical tank joined by at flow channel. Sensor that pressure liquid level produce a voltage between 0 to 10 DC. An inline flow transducer with variable reactance is used to add the pump output. The main supply unit connector AC to DC rectification and the unit of the chillers. The chillers are located on the top, also where the motor drive and transducer top part is circuit are placed. Electricity is connected transducer signal processing to the top unit, the pump circuit, and each transducer. The application of the coupled tank is coupled tank has system-wide application in process industry such as petrochemical, wastewater treatment, and purification, biochemical, spray coating, beverage, and pharmaceutical industry. That's all from our practical. Thank you.